these using here are butterflies. Butterflies are a type of flying insect. There are all kinds of butterflies from the Americas to Southeast Asia. The butterfly species include the blue morphle, tiger swallowtail, monarch viceroys, and the viceroys. Butterflies come in all different shapes and colors. They're used in some, like the blue morpho, use their colors as camouflage, while others, like the monarch, uses its colors as a warning. These guys have a long tube called a proboscis that allows them to drink sap or any sweet liquidy stuff. Some butterflies even eat the salt from other animals. Some like the monarch eat milkweed, and others like the blue morpho eat sap. And some butterflies use a mimicry, like the owl butterfly, how it uses its big eyes to make it look like a big owl to scare away off birds.